It's getting so crazy out there, guys. I don't know what's happening anymore, but something is happening. Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62 cents. Now, all these altcoins are just stable, as we can see, right? It's not doing much. They aren't doing much, guys. But Bitcoin is just exploding to the upside. Bitcoin is doing. Guys, just submit it. You guys are in disbelief, just like I am. Not really, because I have been preparing for this moment, guys, right? But everyone's in disbelief as we speak. They're like, how is Bitcoin going higher and higher and higher? It makes no sense, right? And guess what? I hope it just keeps going higher and higher and higher to leave all the people who didn't buy in the bear market out, guys, so they FOMO in at the top. That's how it always works out. And not to mention, the greed. We have to talk about the greed really quickly because we never did. It's been so long, guys, since the last time we did. So the greed is at 79 as we speak, right? That's not even that crazy, guys. But it's not giving the full data, so we got to go to the actual site right here, the crypto fear and greed index. Right now it's around 75, guys. It's going to get updated here soon, I think, in an hour, so it's probably going to be 79. Now check this out though. This is where it gets really interesting, okay? Is that you guys can see the chart, right? Max euphoria takes place when we're in the 90s, guys, and when we're in the 90s for, I don't know, months, and we're not even there yet, right? It's crazy. We're not even in euphoria yet, guys, and all these things are happening. Now, I've been scrolling through Twitter, guys, right, and a lot of the XRP community, I guess they're pissed, guys, right? It's because XRP isn't doing much, right? But they're not looking at these other coins. They're not doing much as well, guys. Look at this, right? Some are, but some aren't. But XRP isn't doing anything realistically right now, right? But that's how it always is, guys, right? They want to trick people, and guess what, right? I've been seeing people jumping ship from XRP and all sorts of stuff. I don't know. People are trading. People are, I don't know, but everyone has their own strategy. But I'm just sticking to my plan, guys. That's why I am diversified a little bit as well, right? All my eggs are not just XRP, guys. I've been saying this. Meaning, therefore, you won't be as emotional, right? But XRP up next, guys, right? Sure seems like it. When everyone loses hope, guys, that sure seems to be the game plan. Now, in today's video, we have a lot of different connections, and we're going to be talking about it today. I quickly want to point out is that when Bitcoin moves up, guys, you guys should actually be grateful that Bitcoin is pumping, right? Why? Because when XRP does pump, guys, finally, that's going to top, probably have a small mark on Bitcoin's top, right? So I hope Bitcoin can keep raging on, right? I know it's going to suck for XRP short term, but when Bitcoin does cool off, XRP should explode to the upside, and then the whole ecosystem will cool off, guys, before possibly the next leg up. Now, guys, are the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is called quite interesting. By the way, guys, please like today's video. It's for free, literally. Now, boom. What do we have here? The month of December, guys, right? And the riddlers, or from Bearable Down to 3, guys, we see he's looking at December, right? He's kind of eating December up a little bit. And it shows, boom. Interesting, huh? Fascinating. Could it truly be December? Has it been that easy from the beginning of time? The same price dynamic was liked by Mr. Poole. So Mr. Poole liked this tweet, guys, from Cryptomaniac, right? Which shows a repeat of the 2017 cycle. This was from a long time ago, though. But obviously with riddlers, we should take it with a grain of salt. If this were to repeat, seems like $50, $40 top, right? And then we consolidate for a year or so, and then the next price rise. I don't know, guys, but do you guys see something? XRP moves in what type of fashion, guys? You guys have to know this by now, right? XRP moves slow, but it wakes up one day and it explodes in price to the upside. You can literally see right here. Look at this, guys. Every damn time, right? It just leaves people. XRP. If you think Bitcoin's leaving people behind, no. XRP will in due time, hopefully. But oh yeah, Bitcoin new all-time highs before halving day, guys. Oh my, that would be the most insane thing, right? Before halving, having Bitcoin new all-time high. Hopefully, let's see. Watch and weep. They are coming, guys. XRP has been set up and ready to go. Expected in December. You know what? Expect the other ETPs as well. You will see in the video they're sitting on the sidelines waiting to be given a green light, as we can see right here, guys. Again, this month seems to be pretty insane, right? Pretty explosive to the upside.
Set.
Oh, remember last year, not last year, but in 2020, December, guys, right around Christmas time, everyone was in shock, right, for a negative reason. Why? Because of the Ripple versus SEC case was announced, right? The SEC went after Ripple and XRP. But this year, maybe it's the opposite, right? It's going to be good. It's going to be a lot more positive than the previous years, guys. Hopefully that's the case. Well, it may be because of this right here. Check this out.
Set that is moving forward without doubt. What if it's XRP and ETP was announced? Could that be it? The Ripple Exchange Traded Product, EPT, is expected to launch in early December 2023 on a European exchange. The subsidiary of DeFi Technologies, Inc. Valor, will introduce the ETP to meet the growing demand for cryptocurrency exposure among European investors. The ETC Group's physical XRP is a German-based crypto ETP that will be released in December 2023. GXRP offers 100% physical XRP backing and trades on European exchanges. Or, if it's not this, could it be a subset that is...
Is that all the different currencies, guys? Interesting. As you guys can see, GXRP right here. Fascinating. Again, that's what they need to do, guys, right? They need to activate everything. And then probably we're going to start moving up, guys. It sure seems like it. Why? Because this is a very interesting connection from David Schwartz. You don't say, right? Check this out. This is insane.
We tried to reach out to the man who died in this pursuit. They were unavailable for comment. Micah, back to you.
David Schwartz tweeted this on 9:59 p.m., right? 9:59 would connect to this right here. Look at this. ATFs approved, same time as we see 9:59 p.m. from Mr. Poole, BlackRock, and 9:59 from a different date, approve. Wow. Interesting, guys, huh? Sure seems like things are about to get spicy. I mean, it's just getting too obvious at this point, guys. I don't know how people aren't seeing what we're seeing, right? Because from David Schwartz, he just confirmed 13 seconds of absolute perfection, guys, right? What is this? $13 XRP confirmed. Imagine, right?
All right, we're gonna try this here whoosh bottle. Wow, awesome.
Start the engines. Hopefully that wakes XRP up here soon. Oh, not to mention, guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am in an XRP long, right? Why? Because I'm confident. I'm putting money where my mouth is, guys. I'm taking action, right? That's not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you guys do wish to, but I'm confident. I have hope. This is the month. XRP should probably go back towards $1, guys. Right? At least minimum. Hopefully. Now, this is the craziest connection of my life, okay? So supposedly everything is connected. Charts, pictures of Bearable Guy 123, pictures of Mr. Poole, Elon Musk's mention, and even the movements of the constellations. Are you looking forward to next week? Why? This is very fascinating, guys, because Star of Bethlehem shines year's best shooting stars, and Beetlejuice Eclipse, I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it, guys. December's night sky, right? So an eclipse of Beetlejuice right here, it's supposedly going to take place around 8:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 11th, 2023. Okay, now Beetlejuice is a red supergiant star, roughly 650 light years from Earth, guys. It's expected to go supernova at any time. Perhaps it already has exploded and we are just waiting to see the light. When it does happen, though, the supernova will be as bright as the full moon during daytime. Wow, from Mr. Poole. Right, we have seen a lot of connections, actually, even from Vincent Kennedy. Beetlejuice right here. My last stream was in 2017 to 2023. Beetlejuice was spotlighted and literally turned night. Beetlejuice was spotlighted and literally turned night turn night at day, dark to light. From Elon Musk as well, right? What's your favorite sports team? Beetlejuice, and as you guys can see right here from Grok. If you go down here though, check that out, guys. Right, Orion Belt, star Beetlejuice, pointing towards the constellations, right, or the heavens above, so to speak. Could it be? Very interesting. Again, they surely love their eclipses, don't they, guys? Right, and then we see more connections, right? Maybe Beetlejuice will bring some light in 2023, guys. Wow. Right. Check this out though. December 11th, it could cause a ring of fire annular eclipse, right? Just for fun, right here. December 3rd, 2021. A ring of fire. Again, they surely love their eclipses, guys, right? But why? I think there's two reasons. One of them being tied in with the end of the world. The second one being an alchemical ritual or enlightenment. Now, an eclipse of Beetlejuice right here. Now, only North Americans in the narrow part of Florida will see this, as you guys can see right there. It will cause a ring of fire. Wow. The third point in that same article shows how Jupiter, the king of planets, will shine as a star of Bethlehem. Right. You guys see how Moon is beyond this type of star, guys? Right. Next week, Silver Moon on 1314. What do we see right here? So we see next week is what, guys? So supposedly that eclipse is taking place what? On December 11th or 12th, right? Which is next week exactly on Monday. It as well is week 44 Chinese lunar. Wow, week 44 on the Chinese lunar calendar, guys, huh? Is that really the case? I'm going to double check after, but let's just go with it. Week 44. Interesting. Week 44. That will tie into this right here on the regular calendar, guys, right? Oh wow, 12-13. Look at that, that delta, and then suddenly. Wow. Interesting, guys. Again, I'm getting quite excited here. December 12th, the day we unlock value, right? From Bob Cook's Flare unlocks value December 12th, 2020. What are the chances, huh? That an eclipse is taking place years after, guys, on the same damn day, right? This is extremely interesting in the light of my decodes connecting the mine end of the world and 12/12/23. The likely date of the Genesis block of the XRP ledger is 12/21/12. Wow, it seems there was a new beginning on 12/21/12, one that would take 11 years to come into fruition. Right. A lot of crazy connections, guys, as you guys can see right here. Okay, quickly wanted to point out Mr. Pool and Ragnarok, right? Check this out. Overnight Ragnarok, let it burn. Phoenix rises from the ashes, right? The CoinDesk article, guys, Bragg House being the knight. Behind it, the castle is burning, right? The castle is burning, which ties into Ragnarok and overnight. Wait a minute, what? Right, as we can see right here. And here's the connections, guys. Right, Ragnarok connects with 589. Right here, the article. Interesting. There's a lot of connections down there, guys, but what does it really connect to? Doom of the gods. Now, in mythology, the end of the world of gods and men, right? The Ragnarok is fully described only in the Icelandic poem. Oh wow, probably of the late 10th century and in the 13th century, guys. 113, right? Doom of the gods, as in like the end of the world. Garlinghouse has a knight. I'm sure it's nothing, guys, right? Which you have seen all the connections to. But if you think that's crazy, wait a moment. Everyone misses. Ripple is a dark horse, right? Look at that. The dark horse, guys. What does that tie into? What does it mean? A candidate or competitor about whom little is known, but who unexpectedly wins or succeeds, guys, right? Wins at the end, like the story about the turtle and the hare, right? The hare is running quickly as fast as possible, like Sonic, but the turtle's taking his sweet time, right? He's not rushing. He's being in the present moment. At the end, who wins? The hare gets tired, right? Unexpectedly, the turtle wins, like the dark horse, guys. Interesting, isn't that? Now, the fountain for today's zero comes from Baba Cooks, August 23rd, 2025. Interesting. What may occur, right? August is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5, and then 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9. 8, 5, and 9. Wow. Who knows, guys? I don't know, right? Maybe the reset is going to occur in 2025. In the next video, we'll maybe talk about the reset, actually, or the collapse, should we say, instead. Per se. Not financial advice, guys. Lots of exciting things on the horizon. Let's see what happens. What is that, Sophia's Mazes? See ya.